Welcome, teachers, to the unit on loans and debt. And it's hard to pick a favorite unit or saying one is more important than the other. But when we think about what tends to get people into financial trouble, it is usually loans and debt. I'm not saying that's the only cause, but that I would say makes this a more important than average concept to make sure that everyone, especially your students, really understand well. So, as we can see from this first lesson where we focus on borrowing money, we're talking about the basics of credit and what you might get a loan for and the different sources of it, and where things might get a little bit more dangerous with things like predatory lending. Then we build into more sophisticated different types of loans and knowing the difference between them. And I would say that there's some content in here that even I didn't fully understand before being involved in some of the content creation. So I think you as an adult will also enjoy it. Then the terms of borrowing, which is super important, especially understanding the interest rate. But it's not just interest rate. It's, does it fluctuate? Is it variable? What other fees are involved? What happens if you can't pay back your loans? And then we could talk about debt management, ways that you can get rid of your debt, and if you can't, ways that you might have to restructure your debt. And this is, people hear about bankruptcy, but most folks who aren't lawyers don't fully understand that there's two types of personal bankruptcies, Chapter 7, Chapter 13. This is super powerful to just, one, something to avoid, but if someone in life gets into a bad situation, they know that there is an outlet here, but they understand the repercussions of it. So like always, try to do the exercises. Ideally, read the video, read the articles, watch the videos as well, and try to bring some stories of your own life into it. I try to do that in some of the videos, but I hope you and your students get a lot out of this unit.